Namaste and welcome to our channel. What's not to love about nature? Whether it's your best friend, your pet, your back garden, nature is everything everywhere. Nature is everything around us and something we should all respect, appreciate, and do our utmost to care for and preserve. I hope this quote will help you know what nature means to each of us. So, let's begin. Nature does nothing uselessly. The poetry of the earth is never dead. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. Colors are the smiles of nature. It is in the still silence of nature where one will find true bliss. Beautiful things don't ask for attention, just like nature. The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Nature rarely surrenders one of our magnificent secrets. Nothing is art if it does not come from nature. Every flower is a shoal blossoming in nature. Nature's law is stronger than any little law you have made for yourself. The goal is to discover your nature, and nature helps you do it. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they are still beautiful. Forget not that the earth delights to feel your bare feet, and the winds long to play with your hair. To me, a lost carpet of pine needles or a spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. I believe in God, only I spell it nature. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. There is something infinitely healing in the repeated reference of nature, the assurance that dawn comes after night and spring after winter. Live in its season as it passes. Breathe the air, drink the drink, taste the fruit, and resign yourself to the influence of the earth. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. There's a whole world out there, right outside your window. You'd be a fool to miss it. To forget how to dig the earth and to tend the soil is to forget ourselves. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it and dependent on it, can still reap in a bunch of grapes, as if it had nothing else in the universe to do. Men argue, nature acts. All my life through, the new sight of nature made me rejoice like a child. Land really is the best art. Everything in nature invites us constantly to be what we are. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Many eyes go through the meadow, but few see the flower in it. Spring is nature's way of saying, let's party. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. The goal of life is to make your heartbeat match the beat of the universe, to match your nature with nature. The Amen of nature is always a flower. Nature teaches more than she preaches. There are no sermons in stones. It is easier to get a spark out of a stone than a moral. The earth is what we all have in common. The least movement is of importance to all nature. The entire ocean is affected by a people. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. Nature is loved by what is best in us. Solitary trees, if they grow at all, grow strong. A morning glory at my window satisfies me more than the metaphysics of books. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. Time spent amongst trees is never wasted time. Never, no, never did nature say one thing and wisdom another. The fairest thing in nature, a flower, still has its roots in earth and manure. Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts. The poetry of the earth is never dead. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Nature always wears the color of the spirit. The earth laughs in flowers. Thank you for listening to us.